Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to compare the both phones in terms of the loudspeaker comparison. So is the Mi11X device versus the Realme X7 Max device. So let's see friends, which phone will be having the better loudspeaker comparison. And one common thing between both phones is that they both phones have the same kind of Dolby Atmos inbuilt in their phones. So let's see which phone has a better kind of Dolby Atmos and which phone has a vibrations as well. So there's another thing which I need to consider when I'm trying to play in the high volumes. So few of the smartphones, they'll definitely tend to produce this kind of vibrations on the back side. So there is another thing which I'll try to concentrate on the backside panel as well between both phones. So let's see friends which phone has better things, and in case if you want more videos on this smartphone, so make sure to check the playlist which I have created on the smartphones. You can find the playlist, as you can see friends, links in the description below for all the playlists which on each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. And let me to show you the settings of the sound profiles what both phones are having in terms of the Dolby Atmos settings. So here we go in the Realme smartphone, where is a Dolby Atmos. As you can see, it is a Dolby Atmos, and in the Mi11X, as you can see friends right now, so both phones are having the Dolby Atmos settings where you can tweak the little bit kind of sound effects while listening, as you can clearly see here. So right now in this demonstration purpose, I'm trying to select the music in both phones. So same option I'm trying to select in terms of the Dolby Atmos, so you know exactly I'm trying to use same options. So now let me try to play the same audio file in both phones, and let's see which phone will be having the better audio output. So first let me try to play the audio file from the Mi11X device. So then I'll try to play audio in the Realme X7 Max device. So let me try to start playing the audio file from the beginning. I'm trying to increase the audio little by little. This is at 50%. So here's a quick sample friends. When I'm trying to place the sound meter exactly in the middle, it did detect up to close to 88 and 89 decibels of sound. So let's see in the Realme X7 Max how much the sound will be able to record in this particular smartphone. %. Overall friends, one thing I did observe is that both phones are having the same and close to close performance in terms of the loudspeaker. So it's very hard for me to actually say which phone is kind of better. So you can listen to the music, and you guys please try to comment below which sound you felt the best and why as well. So let me need to start playing the audio one by one, so then you'll be able to listen which is what. Mi11X device, first I'm trying to play. Realme X7 Max. Mi11X. Realme X7 Max. So overall, I think both are kind of close to each other. So even for me, it's very hard for me to actually differentiate between both phones. So next thing, I'll try to test the vibration. So which phone has got what kind of vibrations in full volume. Yes friends, there's definitely this kind of vibration is going on the backside panel. Let's see on the Mi11X. Yes, little bit kind of vibrancy is there, but not much. So this is a complete review friends between the both phones in terms of the loudspeaker comparison. And now let me try to close one of the loudspeaker from the bottom and just I'll try to you can listen from the audio from the top speaker which phone has got the better top speaker as well. That is what I'm trying to do right now in this testing. So now let me do the same thing in the Realme X7 Max. I think the top speaker is slightly better on the Mi11X device friends. That is what I'm trying to notice. So this is a quick review friends, and overall the conclusion is that both phones are having the really very good volume output as well. So I'm unable to decide which phone has got better volume, because even the sound meter bar is recognizing the same kind of results between both phones when I'm trying to test. And make sure to comment below friends which phone you felt the best in terms of the audio output. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe, and also do like this video. Don't forget to check the playlist for smartphones and even for the wallpapers what I'm trying to use in this video exactly, as you can see here. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay safe. Bye.